Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Ghost Touch problem in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this problem, first of all, clean your screen from the dirt and water particles, and after cleaning, if it doesn't fix your problem, then if you have installed a screen protector, then remove your screen protector. And after removing the screen protector, if it's still not working, then if you have attached or any accessories like hand-free or any other accessory, then remove these accessories, and after removing the accessories, your iPhone will start working properly. But if it's still not working properly, then avoid using your mobile while charging. So after that, open settings, and in settings scroll down and click on general. Then here scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. Then click on reset all settings, and then enter your screen time passcode. And after that, again click on reset all settings. So it will reset all iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after resetting, if it's still not working properly, then open settings, scroll down and click on general, and here click on software updates, and check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, then first of all update your iPhone, and after updating, restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, your iPhone will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.